Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cleaning gel for car detailing that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Putty Car Cleaning Gel in purple. This versatile gel is designed to clean those hard-to-reach places in your car interior, including air vents, cup holders, and dashboard crevices. It's made from high-quality cleaning putty that effectively picks up dust and debris. Plus, it features a light and pleasant fragrance, which adds a refreshing touch to your cleaning routine. In terms of design, the Putty gel is compact and easy to store. The reusable nature of the product is a big plus. It can be used multiple times until it turns black. However, you'll need to store it in a cool place to maintain its effectiveness. While it performs decently for basic cleaning tasks, it struggles with deeply embedded dirt, making it more suitable for light maintenance rather than heavy detailing jobs. The main downside to this gel is its tendency to leave a slight residue on certain surfaces, which can be inconvenient. Still, it's a solid pick for those looking for a budget-friendly and beginner-friendly option. If you're new to car detailing and need an easy-to-use product for light cleaning, this might be worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the Putty Car Cleaning Gel in blue, sold as a convenient 2-pack. This product stands out for its value, as you get 2 jars for the price of 1. Just like its purple counterpart, it's designed to clean tight spaces in your car's interior. It also features a mild, pleasant fragrance and is made from natural, eco-friendly materials that are safe to use. The design of the gel is user-friendly. It's easy to knead, press, and reuse. The double-pack packaging is particularly helpful, allowing you to keep 1 jar in your car and another at home. Performance-wise, this gel excels in getting rid of dust and crumbs from crevices, although it's not the best option for removing stickier or oil-based residues. The gel's durability is a highlight, as it retains its stickiness for multiple uses. On the flip side, the product's larger size makes it slightly less precise for cleaning very tight spaces. Additionally, it requires careful storage to prevent drying out. Overall, this product is ideal for those who want a cost-effective, reusable cleaning solution for moderate cleaning tasks. At number 3, we have the 5 Joy Car Cleaning Gels, a 4-pack option that offers excellent versatility. This cleaning gel isn't just for cars. It's designed to work on a variety of surfaces, including keyboards, laptops, and other electronics. Each pack comes with 4 different colors: red, blue, green, and yellow, making it easy to assign specific gels for different uses. The build quality of the 5 Joy gels is impressive, as they are made from biodegradable materials with a pleasant, subtle fragrance. The gels are incredibly effective at picking up fine dust particles and debris, leaving surfaces clean without any residue. Furthermore, the independent bag packaging makes it convenient for storage and ensures the gels remain fresh for longer periods. However, the gel's lightweight and slightly thinner consistency make them less suitable for heavier cleaning tasks. They perform best for light cleaning and maintenance, and their eco-friendly composition is a nice bonus. If you're looking for a multi-purpose cleaning solution that can handle both car interiors and home electronics, this is a fantastic choice. At number 2, the Car Cleaning Gel in green has earned its high ranking for its superior cleaning performance and ease of use. This gel is perfect for tackling nooks and crannies in your car's interior. It's crafted from high-tech materials that are sticky enough to capture dust and debris, but not so sticky that it leaves a mess behind. The Crevices scent adds a refreshing touch to your cleaning sessions. In terms of design, the T-Carve gel is compact and ergonomically packaged. It's reusable, and its performance remains consistent over several uses. This product is particularly effective for cleaning intricate surfaces, such as air vents and console gaps, making it a favorite among car enthusiasts. Its ability to lift pet hair is another standout feature. The only downside is that it doesn't perform as well on heavily soiled surfaces or areas with grease. However, for regular maintenance and touch-ups, this cleaning gel is an excellent option. It's ideal for car owners who want a reliable and effective detailing tool that's easy to handle and store. Finally, at number 1, we have the Tycarve Cleaning Gel for car detail tools in blue. This product is the gold standard for car cleaning gels, offering exceptional value and performance. It's highly effective at capturing dust and dirt from even the tiniest crevices in your car. The lavender scent gives it a luxurious feel, and the gel's high-tech composition ensures it won't stick to your hands or leave any residue behind. What makes this product stand out is its balance between precision and durability. It's easy to use, just knead, press, and pull, and it's reusable for multiple cleaning sessions. The gel's slightly firmer consistency gives it an edge in picking up stubborn debris, making it suitable for both light touch-ups and more thorough detailing jobs. It's also packaged securely and is resistant to drying out, provided it's stored correctly. The only minor drawback is that it may require a bit more effort to use compared to softer gels. However, its superior cleaning capabilities more than make up for this. If you're looking for the best all-around cleaning gel for your car, the Tycarve Cleaning Gel in blue is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.